Why does the world love Jamaica so much? It's a question that echoes from Kingston to London. Jamaica, a tiny jewel in the Caribbean Sea, captivates hearts. How can such a small island hold so much sway? Jamaica bursts with life. Its vibrant culture is a beacon. The music, the food, the people all thrum with an irresistible rhythm. You feel it the moment you step off the plane. The air itself sings. Jamaica is a feast for the senses, from the scent of jerk spice wafting on the breeze to the sight of cascading waterfalls. It's a place that awakens something deep inside, a primal longing for sunshine and freedom. But Jamaica is more than just a pretty face. Beneath the surface lies a depth of history and a resilience of spirit. This is a land that has known hardship and emerged stronger. It's a place where the rhythm of drums echoes the heartbeat of a people who have turned struggle into music and pain into poetry. This is the Jamaica the world has fallen in love with. Jamaica is a land of contrasts. The laid-back vibe belies a fiery history. The beaches beckon, but so do the mountains. This is not a place to be understood at a glance. It demands exploration. It requires you to delve deeper, to look beyond the tourist brochures. To truly understand Jamaica, you must listen to its stories. Stories whispered on the wind, sung in the streets, and etched into the faces of its people. Stories of resilience, of creativity, of an unyielding spirit. Jamaica is the birthplace of reggae music, a genre that has become synonymous with peace, love, and unity. It's the home of world-class athletes who dominate on the track and field. It's a place where, against all odds, dreams take flight. So why does the world love Jamaica? It's simple, really. Jamaica offers a taste of paradise, a shot of adrenaline, and a soul-stirring dose of reality. It's a place where you can lose yourself and find yourself, all in the same heartbeat. But this is just the beginning of our journey. Stay tuned as we venture deeper into the heart of Jamaica. Jamaica's global allure is undeniable. But what is it about this tiny island that captures the world's imagination? Is it the sun-kissed beaches, the crystal-clear waters? Sure, those are pretty appealing. But there's something more, something deeper. Jamaica's appeal is a potent cocktail. It's a blend of natural beauty, infectious energy, and a culture as rich as its Blue Mountain coffee. It's a place that defies expectations. Where else can you find snow-capped mountains just a stone's throw from coral reefs? Where else can you dance all night to reggae music under a canopy of stars? Jamaica is a land of contradictions. It's both familiar and exotic, tranquil and exhilarating. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the rhythm of island life, or delve into its complex history. It's this very complexity, this refusal to be easily categorized, that makes Jamaica so captivating. The world is drawn to Jamaica's authenticity. This is not a manufactured paradise. It's a real place with real people, a place with a story to tell, and the world is listening. Tourist media. Tourists exploring Jamaica's vibrant cities and lush jungles. Jamaica is a place where you can experience so much in such a short time. Whether it's the music, the food, or the stunning landscapes, every moment here feels like an adventure. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left. We've all seen the postcards. The idyllic beaches, the smiling faces, the rum cocktails adorned with little umbrellas. But Jamaica is more than just a pretty picture. It's a place with a past, a present, and a future all its own. To understand Jamaica's global appeal, we need to look beyond the tourist traps and delve into its heart and soul. We need to explore its history, its culture, and its people. Only then can we begin to unravel the mystery of its enduring charm. Jamaica's story is one of resilience. From its indigenous Taino roots to its colonial past, from slavery to independence, Jamaica has weathered many storms. Through it all, the Jamaican spirit has remained unbroken. In fact, it's this very spirit, this ability to overcome adversity, that resonates with people around the world. Jamaica's story is also one of creativity. This is the birthplace of reggae music, a genre that has become a global phenomenon. It's a place where music is more than just entertainment. It's a way of life. It's a form of expression, a source of strength, and a celebration of identity. Historian Jamaica's history, rich and complex. It tells a tale of resilience and triumph. From the days of the Taino people to the arrival of Christopher Columbus, and through the struggles of slavery and the fight for independence, Jamaica's story is one of enduring spirit and unyielding hope. Close your eyes and imagine for a moment the steady pulse of the bass drum, the skank of the guitar, the soulful voice that seems to speak directly to your soul. This is the power of reggae music. This is the sound of Jamaica. Reggae music is more than just a genre. It's a cultural force. It's a message of peace, love, and unity that has resonated with people around the world. From the streets of Kingston to the stadiums of Tokyo, reggae music has broken down barriers and brought people together. But reggae is just one facet of Jamaica's rich musical tapestry. From mento to ska, from rocksteady to dancehall, Jamaican music is a vibrant mix of rhythms and influences. It's a testament to the island's creativity and its ability to blend different sounds into something new and exciting. Jamaica's music is a reflection of its people, vibrant, resilient, and full of life. It's a music that makes you want to move, to dance, to celebrate. It's a music that speaks to the soul. And it's one of the many reasons why the world can't get enough of Jamaica. To understand Jamaica's global pull, we gotta rewind. Journey back to a time of sugarcane fields and colonial rule. This ain't always been a vacation paradise. The scars of history run deep. The Arawak, the first inhabitants, welcomed Columbus in 1494, but paradise soon became a prison. Spanish colonization brought slavery, and with it, unspeakable cruelty. The Spanish were driven out by the British in 1655, but the exploitation continued. Africans were brought over in chains, their labor fueling the sugar industry. But even in the face of oppression, hope flickered. Rebellion simmered. Maroons, escaped slaves, fought for their freedom in the mountains. Their spirit, their defiance, became a beacon for generations to come. The abolition of slavery in 1838 marked a turning point. But the fight for true equality was far from over. Jamaica's history is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. It's a story of struggle and triumph, of pain and perseverance. And it's this very history that gives Jamaica its depth, its soul. From the ashes of colonialism, a new sound emerged, a sound that echoed the heartbeat of a newly independent nation, a sound that would soon captivate the world. Ska. Born in the 1960s, ska was Jamaica's way of saying, "We're here, we're free, and we're gonna dance." It was a joyous explosion of rhythm and melody, a rejection of the old ways and an embrace of the future. Ska was more than just music, it was a movement. It brought people together, crossing social and racial barriers. It was the soundtrack of a nation finding its voice. Ska was a whirlwind of energy, but it also carried a message. Lyrics spoke of social justice, of unity, of hope for a brighter future. It was music with a conscience, a call for change, a celebration of life. Ska paved the way for rocksteady, a smoother, more soulful sound. But it was the evolution of rocksteady into reggae that would truly change the world. The Lion's Roar. From the streets of Trenchtown, a legend emerged. Robert Nesta Marley, better known as Bob Marley. With his band, the Wailers, Marley took reggae to the world. His music transcended borders, languages, and cultures. It became a global anthem for peace, love, and unity. Marley's lyrics, steeped in Rastafarian philosophy, resonated with millions. He sang of social injustice, of oppression, of the need for change. But his message was ultimately one of hope. He believed in the power of love to conquer hate, in the power of music to unite. Marley's music wasn't just about listening, it was about feeling. It was about connecting with something bigger than yourself. It was about standing up for what you believe in. Marley became a global icon, a symbol of peace and resistance. His music continues to inspire generations, a testament to the enduring power of reggae music. But Marley was just one voice in a chorus of talent. Jamaica has produced countless reggae legends. Peter Tosh, Jimmy Cliff, Burning Spear, Toots and the Maytals, the list goes on. A tapestry of influences. Reggae's global impact is undeniable, but its roots run deep, drawing from a rich tapestry of influences. African rhythms, brought over by slaves, laid the foundation. The call and response patterns of African drumming can still be heard in reggae's infectious beats. American jazz, with its improvisation and soulful melodies, also left its mark. European folk music, brought by the colonizers, added another layer to the mix. But reggae wasn't just a fusion of genres. It was a reflection of the Jamaican experience. It incorporated elements of traditional Jamaican music, like mento and kumina. This blend of influences created something truly unique. Reggae was more than just music. It was a cultural force. It gave voice to the marginalized, it spoke truth to power, and it celebrated life in all its complexities. And the world listened. Reggae's influence can be felt in music, fashion, art, and culture worldwide. It's a testament to the power of music to break down barriers and connect us all. The Spirit of Jamaica. What is it about Jamaicans that makes them so magnetic? It's more than just their warm smiles and infectious laughter. It's a spirit, an energy that seems to radiate from their very core. Jamaicans have a way of making you feel welcome, no matter where you come from. It's a spirit of resilience, forged in the fires of hardship. They've known their share of struggles, but they haven't let it break them. Instead, they've turned their pain into poetry, their struggles into songs. It's a spirit of creativity, a constant desire to express themselves through music, art, and dance. Walk down any street in Jamaica, and you'll be greeted by a symphony of sounds. From the rhythmic chanting of domino players to the pulsating beat of dancehall music, Jamaica vibrates with life, and it's contagious. You can't help but get swept up in the energy. It's a spirit of generosity, a willingness to share what they have, even if it's not much. Whether it's a plate of jerk chicken or a warm smile, Jamaicans are always ready to offer a piece of themselves. This is the spirit of Jamaica, and it's one of the many reasons why the world can't get enough. A culinary journey, ready to tantalize those taste buds. Jamaican cuisine is a journey in itself. It's a fusion of flavors, a reflection of the island's rich history and diverse cultural influences. From the fiery kick of jerk seasoning to the sweet and savory delight of ackee and saltfish, Jamaican food is a sensory explosion. Let's start with the star of the show, jerk. This smoky, spicy marinade is a national treasure. Jerk chicken, jerk pork, jerk fish, you name it, Jamaica jerks it. The secret? A blend of spices, including Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, thyme, and ginger, all working their magic. But Jamaican cuisine is more than just jerk. Ackee and saltfish, the national dish, is a must-try. This savory breakfast staple features ackee fruit, salt cod, onions, tomatoes, and spices, all cooked to perfection. For a taste of the Caribbean Sea, try escabeche fish, fried and marinated in a tangy sauce of vinegar, onions, and spices. And don't forget to satisfy your sweet tooth with some rum cake or banana bread. Jamaican cuisine is a celebration of flavor, a testament to the island's creativity and love of good food. It's an experience that will leave you wanting more. From the streets to the screen, Jamaica's cultural impact extends far beyond its shores. From the streets to the screen, Jamaican culture has made its mark on the world. Reggae music, with its message of peace and unity, has become a global phenomenon, inspiring artists and music lovers worldwide. Bob Marley, the undisputed king of reggae, remains a global icon, his music transcending generations. But Jamaica's musical influence doesn't stop there. Dancehall music, with its high-energy beats and infectious rhythms, has taken the world by storm. From Sean Paul to Shaggy, Jamaican artists have topped charts and dominated dance floors worldwide. But it's not just music. Jamaican athletes have also made their presence felt on the world stage. Usain Bolt, the fastest man alive, has become a global superstar, his lightning speed and charismatic personality captivating audiences worldwide. And let's not forget about Jamaican cinema. From cult classics like The Harder They Come to critically acclaimed films like Third World Cop, Jamaican cinema offers a unique perspective on Caribbean life, exploring themes of identity, social justice, and resilience. Jamaica's cultural influence is undeniable, a testament to the island's creativity, originality, and undeniable swagger. Beyond the hype. So we've explored the music, the food, the people. But what is it really like to experience Jamaica? Beyond the tourist attractions and the Instagram-worthy beaches lies a heart and soul that's often overlooked. Jamaica is a land of contrasts, where poverty and prosperity coexist, where beauty and hardship intertwine. It's a place where you can be dancing in the streets one minute and reflecting on the island's complex history the next.
It's this very complexity, this refusal to be easily categorized, that makes Jamaica so captivating. To truly experience Jamaica, you need to venture beyond the resorts and into the heart of the island. Talk to the locals, listen to their stories, explore the hidden gems, the off-the-beaten-path places where you can connect with the real Jamaica. Go beyond the hype and discover the Jamaica that exists beyond the tourist brochures. The Jamaica that's full of heart, soul, and an unyielding spirit. The Jamaica that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. So are you ready to experience the real Jamaica? The answer, we think, is a resounding yes.
Why does the world love Jamaica so much? We've journeyed through history, danced to the rhythm of reggae, and savored the flavors of the island. But you know, the answer isn't found in a single element. It's in the tapestry woven from every thread of Jamaican culture. Jamaica's appeal is more than just skin deep. It's the heart that beats beneath the surface, a heart full of resilience, creativity, and an unquenchable zest for life. It's the warmth of the people, the way they welcome you with open arms and make you feel like family. It's the way they turn hardship into art, pain into music, and struggle into triumph. Jamaica's story is a testament to the power of the human spirit, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, hope and joy can prevail. This is the essence of Jamaica, the intangible something that draws people in and leaves them forever changed. It's a spirit, a vibe, an energy that's impossible to resist. It's the feeling of being home, even if you're thousands of miles away.
Jamaica is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's an invitation to step outside of your comfort zone, to embrace a different pace of life, to connect with something deeper within yourself. It's about immersing yourself in the culture, getting lost in the rhythms, and opening your heart to the warmth of the Jamaican people. Whether you're lounging on pristine beaches, exploring lush rainforests, or dancing the night away to reggae music, Jamaica offers something for everyone, but it's the connections you make, the experiences you share, that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Jamaica challenges you to see the world differently, to embrace the beauty and diversity, to find joy in the simplest of things. It's a reminder that life is meant to be lived to the fullest, with passion, with purpose, and with an open heart. So what are you waiting for? Answer the call of the island.
As we conclude our journey through the heart of Jamaica, let's remember the words of its most famous son, Bob Marley. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all right. These words perfectly encapsulate the spirit of Jamaica, a spirit of unity, love, and acceptance. Jamaica teaches us that despite our differences, we are all connected. We all share the same hopes, the same dreams, the same desire for happiness and peace. Jamaica's global appeal lies not only in its natural beauty and vibrant culture, but also in its message of unity and love. It's a reminder that we are all citizens of the world, bound together by our shared humanity. So, let's embrace the spirit of Jamaica, not just in our travels, but in our everyday lives. Let's approach the world with open hearts, open minds, and a willingness to connect with others. Let's spread the message of one love, one heart, and work together to create a more peaceful and harmonious world. Jamaica, with its infectious energy and unwavering spirit, shows us that it's possible. Let's keep the rhythm going. So, there you have it. The world loves Jamaica, and now you know why. But this is just the tip of the iceberg, man. Jamaica's magic can't be contained in a single video. It's something you have to experience for yourself. But don't keep the vibes bottled up. We want to hear from you. Have you ever been to Jamaica? What's your favorite thing about its culture? Hit us up in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation flowing like a river of red striped beer. And if this video has sparked your wanderlust, spread the love. Share it with your friends, your family, your neighbor's pet parrot. Let's get the whole world grooving to the Jamaican beat. Jamaica's spirit is contagious, and it's time to share the love. One love, one heart. Let's get the vibes flowing. Our Jamaican adventure might be ending, but the journey doesn't stop here. the world is full of incredible cultures waiting to be explored. So, keep that adventurous spirit alive. Want to dive deeper into the world of reggae music? We've got you covered. Check out our next video on the history of this iconic genre. You'll be skanking in no time. And hey, if you're craving more Caribbean vibes, we've got a whole playlist dedicated to exploring the islands. Think turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and a whole lot of sunshine. Subscribe and join the adventure. This is just the beginning. The world is waiting to be explored, one adventure at a time. So pack your bags, open your heart, and let's keep the journey going. Walk good.